This 2025 KZ Connect 312RE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Oklahoma City, Oklahoma, 73127 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Oklahoma City. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new KZ is 36 feet 1 inch in length and features Sleep 6, stovetop burner, leveling jacks, water heater, smoke detector, TV, slide-out, microwave, oven, LP detector, spare tire kit, and 45 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2025 KZ Connect 312RE is 7,660 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.